Guys, can somebody actually be nice to me? Can someone subscribe to my different channel? Of course, it's already raining freak. Oh! I'm afraid. I'm a freaking afraid. So guys, subscribe to my second channel, Marvin Debera. So, subscribe there. I'm actually afraid of the phone. Oh, what up? No, my mom is downstairs. I'm afraid of bites. So I'm not gonna jump off, but I'm just gonna put it straight over there. I already showed you my face, even my my toes. I'm not gonna show you my face reveal, of course. It's already past 2024. I said. If it's already 2025, I will create a face review. So guys, so are you ready, guys? I'm not even. I am a 6-year-old. Now I'm gonna reveal my face. Hi. I hope she 99937 watched this, because that's my favorite friend, because of my mom. Where's my phone? So guys, I play Roblox. So like and subscribe to this video if you like Roblox. So bye guys.